Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do the Bandido. It looks like this. So first you have to go into a kamikaze mount. Then you will open the non-yo-yo hand loop with the thumb and index finger. Then you will pinch this string right here that's coming from your throw hand index finger. Then you'll pull through, having this mount. Once you get to this point, the yo-yo is laying in these two strings. You will want the yo-yo to just stay in this one. So you will pop the yo-yo to the front and making this string go out of the gap, like so. Now we will move the yo-yo around twice counterclockwise. Then you'll drop the string of your index finger from your throw hand and you'll get something like this. Sometimes you get tied like this. It's just a matter of bouncing the yo-yo until you get this triangle. This is a red triangle, so if you drop it, you won't get any knot. Once we get to this point, you will swing the yo-yo towards your non-throw hand and make a grind. You can do either a talon grind or just a normal grind. Once you get to this point, you just have to swing the slack towards you twice and then pop the yo-yo off and catch this little slack with your non-throw hand like this. Once we get to this point, it's just a matter of getting out. I'd like to drop and catch under my arm and then slide it out. And with a talon grind, it looks like this. One more time. And this is how you do the Bandido.